Just a quick one. I thought I was having difficulty with the pump. I'd gone John Guest out onto an angled fitting, back round onto an angled fitting with a stop valve in beforehand, and it turns out that's no good. It causes like a slight gurgling effect here, so you still get pressure. If you've got good water pressure behind your tank especially, you get good pressure here, but it was failing to fully pressurize the accumulator, and I think it's because it was just drawing a bit of air through there. So what I've done is I've been and bought a 900ml John Guest 15 to 1/2 inch BSP, and that's a 13mm bore EPDM flexible tap connector. It's one connection now, and it's got some flex in it, and you can see the water just sits now. So the flow, once it starts going, is just permanent, fully constant. And then when it switches off, it's repressurized in 2 seconds, and that's even when it's right down. What I have done inside, let's open that up and try not to drop my electrics in. I've been doing the Renogy today. What I have done inside is I've got some food grade silicone tube, and I've put that in to the JG speed fit pipe, the 15mm, and that goes right the way to the back of the tank. If you can see it down there, that's my weight with a bit of speed fit pipe in, and that means this tank now will suck right down to the very last drop at the back of the tank. So we're getting full use of the tank, full hits with the water. I just need to order a couple of 4-meter cables and we're away. But yeah, so that's a 15mm speed fit to a 1/2 inch BSP tap fitting, and that's a 13mm bore flexi pipe. Now I'm probably going to put an angle on. I've just clipped it to there for now, but I'm probably going to put an angle on just to bring it up and out of the way, so it doesn't have to twist all the way around. It means that it's out of the way here anyway, because once that angle's on, it'll sit back here, and I'll be able to just cable tie it to whatever I finish up with. But yeah, that was my mistake when I did the water. The inlet can't have anything narrow bore on it, and that smaller pipe there, that smaller stop valve, was creating a whirl effect within this this filter, which was then stopping the pump from getting full pressure as the water level dropped. It was fine when the water level was high, but as the water level dropped, it would be working and working and working, but not pressurizing. Anyway, that's it for this one. It's just a quick one.
In war, there's never